Don't go.
Yeah.
Don't be right.
Irupa, Irupa, Buaya Berikipa Tamuaba.
Life is.
Ora Marisa Lewa, Ora Enosu Ipa Lewa, Ora Du Zanzawa.
What I do?
Zanzawa, Ora Mari. Yeah, this is live in Mirfan Africa Media TV. Live and direct in Barcelona.
What it do?
In Zanzawa. Hey, Matuya ya. Yeah. I'm dancing, man, you know. Hey. Yeah, invite your friends. We have some little news to prove to you people. Yeah. Hey. Irupa. Buaya Berikipa Tamuaba. Ora Marisa Zewa. Ora Enosu Ipa Lewa. Ora Du Zanzawa. Ipa Lewa. Ora Izalewa. Yeah, this is Mirfan Africa Media TV. I'm here with my big brother, Kevin Kenneth, the Barcelona Michael Jackson. Yeah.
Shout out to you all.
Yeah.
Kelvin Tennant, Tennant Digital Media,
Yeah.
Barcelona Michael Jackson.
Yeah. We get little what to say, you know. Yeah. We get some little what to say. For few things that we sing always going on in Nigeria. In Nigeria, my country. A lot of things happen in my country, Nigeria. So I'm here with Bros Kevin Kenneth to ask him some few words. So we are here together. So let's listen to some music for a few minutes before we continue. Please invite your friends as you are watching. Yeah.
Shout out to Kelvin Tennant Digital Media, Barcelona Michael Jackson. Thank you. Shout out to Kelvin Tennant Digital Media, Barcelona Michael Jackson. Thank you all. Invite your friends to Mirfan AIN, Mirfan African TV. Thank you.
Africa Media. Yeah, invite your friends, please. Wanna invite all our friends. That's Nigeria people. Where we be? The big man was something I want to get see. The cigar is then you go to many colors, go to party. Even I never went to make one. You know my things. I saw me so you buy the corner of your seat. You see me now, another one of my pussy, yeah, palo. Police here, see you, man. A little school salon. See me taking a gun. A little young girl, man we no tia man.
O shall you move the for na ye. So not to come see ya shall we make problem but they see that.
Talking me room no me me.
But you
To make you stronger.
you put our cause I'm as I'm roba. Money money take my young go make you my everything my young fatty with you no more but you want to the place.
I Taliban.
You the strongest around. Everybody dance. It's all about the inside.
I holy gun.
See back to and my television. I holy gun.
Evaluate. Obalome.
Hey, my message with my name. Hey, you go to my home. Buy me home. Buy a bomb.
Evaluate.
Obalome. Hey, my message with my name. Hey, you go to my home. Buy me home. Buy a bomb.
So, let's take it little. Let me play this music little bit just to ask some few questions and to say some few words. Yeah. Let's take. Yeah. Epa. Well done, sir. Welcome
you.
to Imefa Africa Media.
AIN. Thank you.
I am.
I'm impressed. I'm overwhelmed to be here. I'm really impressed to be here at AIN, Imefa African Media.
So, Epa, in your sorrow, there's something there with the apple for my country. When I want me, I ask you understand?
Yeah.
A lot of things they happen when me and you know. They say small boys there for before when we dey grow they come, we dey hear say Igbo people they be ritualists, they do this, they do this. But now at our age now, we dey hear now say Benin boys they be ritualists, they be this, they dey sell pint, they dey sell brazier, they dey sell this. So they even they kill their mother, they kill their parents. When in mother when carry am for belle for 9 months, some go even kill them. So what do you think about those people?
Yeah, actually, the world is changing. I should say. Anyway, please, viewers, I want you all to try to understand however this video will be coming to your way. We're going to speak in all languages. We're going to speak in English, Benin, I guess whichever way will come in through.
I'm also going to speak in Spanish.
Yeah. Whichever way we guys will be coming through, I hope you guys too, you're going to understand. So as we encode, you decode too. In respect, in regard to what Mr. Imefa said, African Media said, in regard to the ritualist, which the Benin people has now taken part of. Which the Benin people in particular are eventually taking part of.
If I no vessel, I beg, may you take them to our Nigeria English, where people go understand, because some grandmother they there. Some brothers, sisters, they not be everybody. When they grow, they come. And also, they speak English like that. So a lot of people, they not say I want to disrespect them or this. I just want to talk my mind. A lot of people, they we not they understand big English. So you have to come down to our English so that we can understand as Nigerians.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, viewers. I will do as I am instructed. You see, the one when it get to do with this our Benin people, they come into ritualists, just like they said in the time past that the people with not fully know for ritual aspects. Now these people, the Igbo guys, the Yoruba people, the Hausa and the rest. But now it can't be say now Benin people, now them. Because they participate even more, they patronize the ritual, the spiritualists, which is those people who they consult the oracle for the make ritual.
Invite your friends, please.
You see, now it goes like this. I think if from my own way, from my own thinking, the cause of this is as a result of greediness. Now greediness, one. Firstly, laziness. Lazy. When somebody is lazy, is bad. When you are lazy and you dig greedy, you were lazy, you were greedy. I can define those things, you know.
Okay, but what do you mean by laziness? We don't understand.
Okay, for example, laziness is this. You know, for example, that laziness of a thing is most of the youth you see these days, particularly the Edo youth living in the Benin City. I mean, the Edo youth, you know, they don't want to work. Their problem, they don't want them to suffer. I remember back in the days, my father used to say to me, that okay, suffer before pleasure.
Yeah.
And it is true. That is how it's supposed to be. But right now, as it be now, people don't want to suffer. The Edo youth, they don't want to suffer. They just want to go into that pleasure. They want to go into that pleasure directly without suffering, of which it can never, I mean, enough go. On the other hand, greediness.
Thanks,
you know, the
MC,
little thing.
But people are writing, they are loving your word.
Okay, thank you so much,
Thank
Mr.
you
MC.
so much,
You know, thank you so much. You know, just give the kudos to Mr. Imefa AIM TV. You know, according to him, what he said to me is going to be coming out with a lot of different topics that has to do with the Nigerian community, because he might be trying, go about with Dole Doyi to our best of knowledge and knowing. So, and I am going to use this opportunity to beg you that, you know, we need your support.
Let's go back to our topic when we are talking about.
Dress your chair so that your viewers can begin to see what goes on.
Okay. You can also follow us in YouTube.
Yeah, that for sure. You know.
Aham TV. So you were talking about how the youth work, lazy, they don't want to work. So you mean say Edo boys now they be lazy youth or
for sure, Edo boys are lazy people. I think in my own perspective, in my own way.
Let me say something. Don't misquote me. You understand?
Sorry, yeah.
I'm a Edo boy also, so I'm also a lazy man.
I won't say you are lazy.
Because there's a lot of people there watching. They are from Edo.
Yeah,
so they would think you said they are lazy also because I'm a Edo boy.
Yeah, Mr. Imefa, I'm not trying to say that you in particular you are lazy, because you is a talented person. I know you so well. You know,
Thank you.
You are talented and you are hardworking.
Thank you.
You know, I've known you for a couple of years or period of time, so I've never reckoned anything that got to do with lazy with you.
Okay, sir. So what do you mean by laziness? So can you explain to the world so that they can understand? Because a lot of people
Okay,
they don't
for
understand.
example, if I have to start saying something, my laziness, which I'm talking about, begins like this. For example, if we will talk about it, sorry, anyway, viewers, you know, let me say it in a way, because not everyone that can, not everyone really understand that English, in spite of the fact that we are English-speaking country people. Not everybody have the opportunity to attend to that school that bring about that awareness of, you know, being eloquent when it get to English speaking of a thing. This is the more reason why we are going to discuss it in English, Pidgin English, Edo, any language, as long as we will be encoding while you guys will be decoding it. So that is that.
Anything you want, please don't forget to comment so that we can know what you want.
Now you say laziness when it comes to the Edo part of it. For example, the Benin people in particular. Some people they now when they say okay, because they get people from abroad, for European world, you know, they get sisters, get brothers for European world, you know. They find it very lazy to hustle with it themselves. They will be waiting for this money that will be coming from the overseas, right? But this money now, it not be as it did before. It not be like that again. Europe don't finally spoil.
So, novice, say I'll struck you. So
no problem.
Europe don't spoil. So there is a time when Europe take good. We don't understand.
Yeah, there was never a time Europe was this good. There was never a time when Europe did really good like that, but it was better off back in the days.
Okay.
It did better off compared to now. You understand me? Okay, Even as at the time the Europe world was better, the time when it good small back in the days, you know, our Benin people, they're still finding it very difficult. They find it difficult to hustle, to study, to learn work. All in the name of saying sister day for Italy, brother day for Germany. You do understand me? You know, so all these things are the laziness we're talking about. Even apart from that, not in my mouth, they will know say Benin people are very, very fucking lazy. Even when the President Buhari...
Moment. You don't need to say fucking lazy because there is a lot of people there who is not lazy, as you can see.
Yeah, I'm sorry everyone, but then whatever, when I have never mentioned no name. I don't mention no particular name. But those people that are lazy know themselves. Okay. Like you know you are not lazy. If you are lazy, I mean your conscience is going to tell you, will definitely tell you, you will not say you're lazy, even no matter how you try to pretend. It's like somebody will be like, say, okay, you go dress, everybody will go there for party now, they will dress, everybody will look very clean. But deep down in you, when you day clean for inside party, you know if you did for your house, if you be dirty person. But by the time that
okay, but see, we'll not draw the matter so long.
So long, yeah.
I get many questions when I will ask you. Yeah. So I want to ask you this question. There is some men sleep with their daughter, or maybe their stepdaughter, maybe 3 years old, 2 years old, they will sleep with him. What do you think about those men?
Yeah, that one are evil. That one are evil. When you think or say, when you even dream or say you will sleep with your daughter or your relative, I think those people, you know, they are doomed. They are agents of darkness, because I mean they are agents of darkness. It's not proper when anyone trying to, you know, sleep with his or her daughter, family member, or whatever it comes. As long as
please invite your friends. Continue.
You know, I mean that is a clear doom. It's a clear evil. You know, it's a clear evil when you're trying to. I mean, there are people. We have a lot of people within the world. What kind of attraction? Which kind of attraction? Your own daughter, your own sister, your own brother, or your own family member in particular, like first cousin, or the rest others. Which kind of attraction such person will get when it will make you, I mean, make you stimulated by our beauty or by the kind of attraction that person is carrying about.
I told you before, you have to come down to our English.
Okay. Sorry, man. Yeah, you know, actually, Mr. Miefan, I am really truly sorry about this. However it goes, I still beseech you people to try to understand what I'm saying. Walao waregui
Debros.
Walao waregui show all brother Miefan he invite me come say make I come participate so that we can discuss this little bit, so that because we not get tired. Him and William have try to the best of our knowledge and knowing. Be my hair go by senior dude, now we go with you know, as long as I mean, we really need good thing to come to that Benin, to that Edo state. But when all this plenty doom, this plenty evil committee they come, I mean, how would that place settle? That place not feel settle now. It not feel settle. Problem here and there. Talk powerful, I like the other one. Talk powerful, I like the other one would they come. At least majority of the people living in that Benin, living in Edo State, Nigeria, they are the problem of that country. Apart from the press, apart from the government, you know, we ourselves, we are problem to that country. You understand? Even those living in the Western world too, because there are some people that just come from Benin, Nikedore, ni aya gbogya yegbe be we bo imana.
Okay, pa.
They feel very yes, so I'm misbehaving.
Pa, my way walk.
Yeah.
Even know papa. There are some people. Okay, people did, pa,
I feel you guys.
People did, when they enter social media. Good evening, bros. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Please help us to share this video.
Good evening.
Share. Thank you so much for patronizing us.
People did. when they will dey like this, they'll sit down, they will break, they don't get what to do, they will enter Facebook, they'll say they'll say that they put their husband for bottle, some of them they insult Edo, our Oba of Benin. What do you think about those people when they behave like that?
Yeah, first, for example, those people, I in particular, it did very, very wrong because king is always a king. Even if anything they go at stake, you know, I believe there is a way. I mean, the way they when we take that, you know, we fit it dialogue. It's not by, you know, trying to ridicule or trying to like, yeah, it's not by you know, it's not by ranting on the social media because you can just make a video because a video is free for everybody. I mean, you know, the idea whereby somebody would begin to talk to a king. The king can be from anywhere. You know, the idea whereby somebody begin to talk to king on net.
Take your English down.
Okay, the idea when somebody will begin to talk to king the way they like you know, because how? king is being born. They born now king that. I had Isaac Morioba.
Yes, Isaac Morioba.
Isaac Morioba. You understand? At least that alone is enough. It is enough for us to give, you know, to give our king that big respect. You understand? And if, for example, anything is not going on well, it's not going on the proper way, we're not supposed to know, you need to go or say, you know, it's yet not a yardstick for criticizing the kingdom. You understand me? So, me in particular, the man feel where he now say anything. Some people might like it. Me in particular, I will never partake in a way like that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You want what's his next name? Osarodion or Morodion? Check the guy name.
Osariyama.
Do not drop this thing so that you contribute.
Osariyama.
Sir?
Osariyama.
Yeah, your number.
Bros, what you talk?
Osariyama Odion.
Osariyama Odion.
Okay, Osariyama, you look handsome, man. Thank you so much. Clear Bini guy.
Thank you, sir.
You don't drop number for this guy, your people. Okay. Okay. Oh man, go ahead.
So,
thank you so much for presenting us, Mr. Osariyama.
Hold on, bros.
Those people when they cause over, when they trauma big palace, when they do this, but you never complete the work.
Yeah, me not bad because it pains me to the bone of my marrow, you know, when I start saying things like that. But I knew so far where if somebody started it, you know, I mean, too many betrayals. Somebody that started the situation at the end of the day is not the one trying to like. I mean, you started it all. We don't really need to mention no name. I'm not mentioning any rock because my own anybody.
Okay,
you understand me?
On the only game now. Who came in not get money or money?
Okay. So, Mr. Osariyama Omorodion, thank you so much for
No. I will not.
inviting friends.
What do you think?
Okay, this is a video.
What do you think about it?
This video. This one is this is forbidden. This is
you have to speak broken English. The one I can understand. This
is not forbidden issue. You know what? Who is this guy? And who is this guy? The daughter? Is this over here a man?
I think is the daughter or his stepfather.
Who is this
brother?
Who be this lady there? What is this?
His other lady who make the video, who publish the video, then and I saw the video.
Okay,
so I need to ask you.
This one are taboo. Where this thing for happen?
Nigeria.
Now Benin.
Nigeria. I can't say Benin.
Okay, we don't because I think it's Nigeria. But I believe where my own culture, the place I came from, you know, in short, my in general. This is how do I put it? to be precise, It's not, look, in case you guys are not seeing it, I am trying to say what we're saying on the video. I am not the person there. Okay. It's just a little girl, just one little girl, small girl, less than 2-3 years, I mean, sucking on a man's dick, and the dick is as big as that of a pillar. So, on a cigar,
How big as a pillar?
Yeah, it's as big as that of a rod or electric pole, if I'm not mistaken. You see, this is evil. This is clear evil. It's not a thing to talk about. This is clear evil, and this kind of a person should be brought to book. They're supposed to carry this kind of a person, take and enter court, or if and look, this person should need to be castrated. You understand me?
If they castrate the guy pretty know the work again now. Why you say
this guy? The Okonomasa was not live. He's not supposed to live. I mean, this is an animal. He's not supposed to dwell with human.
Bros, please invite your friends when you comment.
This moron, Jesus, how is that? This moron is not supposed to live within human. He's not supposed to. He's not supposed to live with human. You know what I mean? So okay, don't ask you. Okay, we have much more to talk about. So this one is, it's so funny. I won't say it's funny, but it's a very serious issue that need to be, that need to be treated. That need to be treated. Things like this cannot help a country to grow, particularly with the Africans. A thing like that can never help no society to grow because a doom or generate to that society. Heavy doom, this kind of a person. Now I show a video of Babana. Or my son don't live with him an agbo because the man anything they tell you to get him a cabina. You understand me? That is just a worker or less than 3 years or whatever. You understand me? So I don't find this is a doom. It is evil. That is the least I can say about it.
The magic break, maybe 5 for 30 seconds. Now we'll come back.
Yeah.
I'll continue the topic now.
Yeah.
It might be one now.
Okay. Go.
When this one here Anywhere they see me, them I call my name. Yes. Anywhere I go, them I holler my name. If you want to talk, talk your own. All I want to say, Baba bless the boy. Anytime they play my song, get people dance again. Anytime they get on them, I want them to make it. I got to go me and also fight again.
Yeah, we are back. Yeah, we are back. Now thank you, God bless you now. As not say wait, as not say endure, wanna wait for us. God bless you now. Now live long, now stay long. Now live long, now stay long. Go say Mona not live long. Now ain't go die. Now maybe me fan. This is fan African media worldwide, you know. So you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, I Am TV. Follow us in Instagram, Imiefan Africa Media. So we are here to give you the Ogbonge show when they happen. If you get anything when you want me we talk about, you call us with this number when you go show by your screen now, right now. Just call us, then we go talk about them. We are here to talk about everything. You can also follow us in WhatsApp. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Hello? Hey, Charles.
Please.
Hey, give me Michael Jackson or?
I'm begging.
No, because I don't know say they use I don't know say I connect my this thing to Bluetooth. Me they holler too hello better. I not quit take note. They later on discover where you read Bluetooth.
Now I know about that.
Bluetooth stuff.
We are right for there. You can follow us.
If
you have anything to say, you can call us. So he's talking. So we have to give him chance. It's our guest for today. So we are doing here.
So that may take up because I have to be there at least by 7 in the morning here.
This One Touch Music. Subscribe to One Touch Music. Support your brother.
But we'll still see later now, yeah?
Support your brother. This One Touch Music, man.
Where? You see? I know. And maybe make me later. I want to check them run
in Imiefan Africa Media.
Okay, now one love, brother. Yeah, one love, brother.
So, paper, we are back again.
Yeah.
It's time me and we to make a call. We have work on my work one.
Yeah.
We were guest in my boy now. So tap on the only man no way.
Yeah.
Show now, right now.
Thank you so much.
I Am TV.
I
am. So Imiefan Africa Media. So Otani only no way now. Here we man the boro no one like we bona. The Mikbia. Here we man. Here Nigeria. You can't tell we in Nigeria farmer whether good or bad. Here we say we bona. We do have bonus. Mikbia. Here we ni foniro ni buvo. Okay, let me speak English because of a lot of people there. They said there is a lot of people from Nigeria, after they came to Europe, those guys, they will not become a gay. And some girls, they will also become a lesbian. So why? What do you think that led to this problem? What do you think about those people?
Yeah,
what do you think? What do you reason? How you did for your body? Because for my body now, you do me
anyway, yeah.
Please invite your friends.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, you know, a man being an homosexual, you know, I think actually that is not our culture, you know. I mean, with the Nigerians, with the Africans, particularly the Benin people, you know, the Edo people. In this case now, you're trying to talk about the Benin people in particular. Or are
I'm
you
trying to talk
the
to
African
about
people?
Nigerians.
Okay, Nigerians.
I'm talking about Nigerians now.
Okay.
But other day I'm going to talk about Africans.
Okay.
But for now,
Okay, I think most of these things, because it is in the Bible, you know. During those back in the days, you know, there was a time when God destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah, and you know, this is actually sodomy, you know. A man sleeping with a man is always I mean it's a forbidden
but
thing
you have
according
to speak
to.
broken English.
Yeah,
You
man,
can
the way they
understand.
sleep with man, I think that forbidden thing, you know. You know, this is not the very particular thing when God, those days when God destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah, when God himself turned Lot's wife to a pillar of salt. So, you know, because not be good thing, and because of this very issue of, you know, homosexualism, lesbianism or whatever, you know, God destroyed the heads as at that time, you know, maybe not during the time of
If you
Noah.
have any question, you can comment
You know, maybe
so that we know.
Yeah, maybe not during the time of Anakin,
Happy.
maybe not during the time of Noah. I
God
mean,
bless you. Welcome.
thank you so
to
much.
us.
Happy when me I don't see these people well. Make now
Yeah.
you near them.
No, no problem. Happy.
Shout out to Happy. Thank you so much for partaking with us. You know, we
He said you are saying nice word. He said nice.
thank you so much. We appreciate. You know,
Okay.
without you, there will be us. There will be me, and without me, I mean, there will be you. So back to what you just said. You know, in regard to sodomy, which is a lesbianism and homosexualism. We not bad because I believe we the Nigerians, we African people, we are sharp people, you know. Some people, they're trying to bypass, not as if they really liked it, you know, it's not part of them. They don't, not as if they liked it being homosexual or lesbian, being homosexual, partaking with in homosexualism or lesbianism. But because they're trying to bypass poverty, this is my thinking. I mean, this is my own opinion. Now my opinion be that. Because now the same that laziness. Now that same laziness, not a little.
We are talking about reality. When you are saying your opinion, you have to say your opinion. You don't have to tell them that, hey, it's my opinion. We know it's your opinion. We just ask you a question just to say your opinion.
Yeah, but before God, if I'm trying to generalize it, before God, it is an abomination. Not clear abomination that it be before God, because we can be as sensitive as God is. You understand me? Because if God has designed it that way, if God has designed
sensitive
as God is, I mean, because if God has designed it that way, that man should go with man, should befriend a man, you know, you understand me? Okay. Because that is why that issue came up. That is why I said it, that, you know, I mean, we can be as sensitivity as the way God the Creator is.
Okay, there's one question there when I want to ask you. One question, because we not too much get time. One question there when I want to ask you. Why I say Benin boy, I'm a Benin boy.
Yeah.
So I know a lot of people. They don't play Benin music and they are from Benin. So, what do you think about those people? Your thinking, what do you think about those people?
When I was growing up, where you know, this digital world, this are going to do now, although I hear many things you see, the idea of whereby anyway that the one that has to do with you know, you are a Benin person, you don't play Benin music. I think that is a personal opinion, you know. It depends. Like me, for example, I so much love Benin music, but not this one they play now. The music of those days, you know, those Benin music of those days, because those music is not just by playing music. Music gives messages. Now message, now music they give. You understand me? So that, and music himself, if it, I mean, now information they give. If it corrupt person, if they corrupt, if it still straighten somebody the life, he go give advice to those who when we say they don't get opportunity to have an advisor. For example, those people when it be say maybe their parents differ from them or they lose their parents, you know, before they could grow up to maturity.
Please
But
invite your
as
friends.
you listen to Benin music that I know back in the days, Benin music is so sensitive that it gives advice and advise you. If you follow up with Benin old music, not the one they play now, not the one that always talk about, you know, I mean, most of the music, Benin music they play now.
Okay, Pa, can I ask you something? I want to play one music for a few seconds. Then you will tell me what you think about the song.
Okay, okay. Please do invite your friends. You know, this is AIN, Imefan African Media. Imefan African Media is there to unleash, all kinds of. I mean, is there at your disposal to unleash all kinds of information. You can also support us with clear information so we can help to broadcast. This is what Imefan African Media is all about. Is a platform to discuss, we're here to discuss vital issues. We're here to talk about vital things, you know, give out vital information. Thank you.
Okay, listen to this song now.
Social media, Rubu people get by no echo, no people get by no banyo, oh get up out, oh get up. The winning on YouTube begins, Rubu people get by no echo, the one part of no network, oh Salopa, oh no good, Kura, follow, oh you're done, you know, and with her. One part of no network, oh Salopa, oh no good, but I'm not walking, so walking, and I have to back your back. Oh, yeah, I know. All in a canoe, we play my hair on fire. I don't know where you do. Oh, I get your back, let me go for it. Where about the no yellow? Because I love how you keep on. You want to know what I papa on you and I want to know what I love. I papa on you and Papa, you can take me on now. You want to get back to me now. I'm a good tired back of my show. Don't want your back to you. You don't find it now. Go on there, I'm back there. Go talk to social media. You really go there.
Okay, sir, what do you think about the song?
Yeah, this is firstly before I ask, who is the
This is Don Clift
Don
from
Cliff.
Italian.
Okay, the Italian guy.
Yeah, I live in Italy.
You see, back like back to what
Broken English, sir.
yeah. Okay, good. Like waiting that they tried to talk earlier on before in regard to Benin music compared to the Western music. They say, you see, no music not be music. You see, like this one make a lot of sense. It makes a lot of senses. You know what I mean? So I don't see anything wrong in this kind of music. Not all music makes senses. There are some music that corrupt. So what I'm still saying in a nutshell is that what I'm still saying what I'm still trying to insinuate is this, that I don't segregate any kind of music you play, because sometimes me, I play a willow, I play the Igbo music, play all sort of, I play African music, you understand me, for the melody, you understand what I'm saying, but then most cases I think playing music that is more creative, that passes messages is always the best. And this is why I'm trying to count on some of those, most of those old Benin music. Like this guy, and I don't know him. He's just he's the one, Imefan himself is the one is talking about this guy. He said his name is Don Cliff. He stays in Italy. And I like the inspiration which this guy got by playing this music makes a lot of impact, because that is what music is all about. So that's it, man.
Okay, pal. You know what's up,
It
man.
may not. Yeah, I would
If I
want.
can say I need to allow what am I wala jan de lo wa pick out am I wala jan make it this topic call. Am I wala jan we
Hello, 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 Nazo. It was a interview office, a TV news. Yeah, like they are calling it. Everywhere good. No shaking here.
Okay, I'm going to ask you.
Oh, where? No shaking. He needs to get attend this TV.
Okay, I'm going to ask you this question. A lot of people say English, pidgin English. I'm sorry, eh? A lot of people they talk and say Buhari not good, and a lot of people they complain say why Buhari go sign from Africa to unite, say make them they use ECHO, this new money where they want make them they use so.
Yeah.
Just like all the rule they say new money it don't come, I buy Gary 10 kobo. Now a lot of people they are blaming Buhari. So what do you think about this ECHO money?
Yeah, ECHO money. You see the little. What I think about this ECHO money that will be, coming up, that will be coming out. They were going to launch it by January 20th next year, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You see, I think it's a way forward to the Africans because it's a clear way forward to the Africans. For example, now if these African countries, like the western part of African descent, not the northern part, the western part, which is the ECOWAS. ECHO came from ECOWAS. So now that ECHO, it has a very big advantage on the ECOWAS people. If at the end of the day they succeeded in bringing it to a limelight,
Yeah.
because one, for example, if somebody that stays in the Ghana or you want to go, okay, Ghana they used to use CDs, CDs in Yanowa. Ghana they use CDs.
Yeah.
Or some of this African
I just want
country,
to
all
put
this
it so
Mali.
that a lot of people have not seen it.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
see
or this Mali,
what
this
people do in
this
Africa.
Mali people that use CFAs,
Yeah.
For example, somebody living in Mali want to come to Nigeria for business, to buy stuff, whatever. He needs money. He or she don't need to go to borrow the change to start changing money. He just come with his ECHO. You understand me? You dey feel me, guy?
Yeah.
He go just come with the ECHO.
Yeah.
Begin to buy something, and that thing, that ECHO of a thing is going to enable the Africans, the ECOWAS people to unite more. So these are some of the things Oyibo don't need that like that. Oyibo themselves don't need that like that. Imagine this Europe that where we did now, where me I did. They use Euro.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Okay, but let me tell you something. I'm going to say this is the last news I'm going to say today. The last interview I'm going to interview today. There's one guy called Nicky Gigi.
Nicky Gigi of Barcelona.
Yeah, he lives in Barcelona. And he's a great artist.
Yeah.
Which I know.
Yeah,
I can comment on it.
Yeah.
Which I know he's a great artist.
Yeah.
But a lot of people don't value him because maybe he lives in Barcelona, they see him every day. So what do you think about this Nicky? Because this Nicky is a great artist. You can also subscribe to his YouTube channel, Nicky Gigi TV. Please subscribe. He's a great man, Please, what do you think about him? And what do you want people? Nicky Gigi.
Yeah, Nicky Gigi is, I think I know him, and I have listened to some of his music. He's a talented artist. The fact is that the Benin people say is that Enioma Ejoma, and apart from Enioma Ejoma, whether for Noruwa, or one particular one you need to try later. Where sometimes look, what you have, you don't respect it until you lose in it. You'll be having a valuable thing, but you're gonna disregard it.
Please, I don't cut you short. Remember where you stop. So I'm going to play the music of Nicky Gigi. So before we continue.
Okay.
A little bit.
Nicky Gigi of Barcelona.
Yeah.
Yeah, shout out to Nicky Gigi. You on with Nicky Gigi. You listening to Nicky Gigi, Barcelona artist. You know. Then they like her.
This is Nicky Gigi. Please subscribe to Nicky Gigi. So if you can continue. Please subscribe to Nicky Gigi TV.
Yeah, Mr. Emir Fan, AIM Media. Just sorry man, sorry everyone. I am media, you know, Mr. Emir Fan African Media. Anyway, before, let me, you know, start from where he stopped me when he was trying to play Nicky Gigi's music. You know, Nicky Gigi is someone I know quite well. He's a nice person. He's a talented Benin musician based in Barcelona here in Spain. You know, so we're all trying to beseech you, we're begging you to, you know, subscribe to his channel. Subscribe to his channel and listen to his music too. You know, he's a good, talented Benin, you know, musician. He's a good, talented Benin musician. So he has a lot of good music that is yet to be unleashed. You know, so Nicky Gigi are good musical stars for Europe here, but then most people living in the I don't say Jonathan where I mean no ofen orowa any value no say any but no in a rabbit in the
Respecto.
you know the respect that one a lot. You know, sin is believing because Nicky Gigi is around is living within here in Barcelona, and I mean Spanish territory. So it has no much value compared to the people outside the Spanish territory value him. So what we are trying to insinuate is this way: now value normally have value. Our value. This thing is also applied to the Benin, Nigeria. You know, not some big men would day now they get money. If you want to carry music, why don't you try to patronize those people? Even these people, you know, before somebody become a great star or popular star, it starts from somewhere.
Yeah.
You know, you don't just because this one already make name. Because of that, you go carry on. You want to go carry the one where you make name.
And your people did it.
And your people did it, and they suffer.
You go the power. You know power coming.
Yeah, not bad do. Not bad tell Nigeria.
Because advice now.
Yes, not work. You know, try to encourage the youth. I mean, try to encourage the upcoming artists, because anything worth doing is worth doing well. You know, anything worth doing is worth doing well. Before you become a professional, you were once a quack. So practice make perfect. You know what I mean? So by the time you start to invite these young artists to come to your place, your environment, you know, artists within your environment to start, they are patronizing you, you are patronizing them. You can help them to grow. It don't necessarily mean say you can't go to give them money. That is not what really matter. You know, I mean, let them show their talent, you know, whatever. You can encourage them by doing this whole thing. This is what we're talking about. So all the do affect is someone like Nikki Gigi, it has value somewhere around other European nations, you know. But then it can value you understand me?
Okay, but we are thinking
this is so bad, you know. It's not a good thing.
Yeah.
It's not so clear.
Okay, we are closed for today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, follow me on Instagram, Miefa Africa Media. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, IHAM TV. Please, I will give you the best of it. This is my brother that I invite today.
Kevin Tennant.
Yeah, thank you.
Kevin Tennant Digital Media.
Yeah, I always remember one name that I called him, Barcelona Mekajase, because we are here in Barcelona, live and direct.
Thank you so
Please
much.
subscribe.
You're on with Kevin Tennant Digital Media.
See you other day.
Barcelona Michael Jackson. Thank you so much.
I pray to give you the best. One love, my people.